Okay, good morning. Today we are going to deal with the brain drain, our lesson. So we are going to start with the definition of brain drain, or why people migrate. Okay, first there are three verbs that we should not confuse, which are to emigrate, which means to leave one's country to live in another, to immigrate, which is to come into another country to live permanently, and finally, migrate. So migrate is to move. Just the movement is called a migration, like birds in winter. For example, they move from a cold place to a hotter place. So let's find out the different verbs, the different nouns for the persons, and the different personal nouns. So here, when I have to migrate, what is the noun? It's a migration. Okay? To emigrate, the noun is emigration. And to immigrate, the noun is immigration. Look at the double M. Here we have double M, and here we have just one M. Immigration. Okay? The personal noun, to migrate, how do we call the person? He's called a migrant. Okay? And, so here remember the pronunciation, a migrant. Here it's an emigrant. So here it is not with I, it's with E, an emigrant. And here, the last one is an immigrant. Remember the double M, it's very important here. Okay? Now, we have the verb to migrate, migration, and a migrant. Emigrate, emigration, and emigrant. And finally, to emigrate, immigration, and an immigrant. Okay? Now, let's find the page. Okay, we are going to use these verbs to fill in the blanks in a paragraph about brain drain and the different terms here. So we have immigration, involuntary, with, within, native, encouraging, migration, and incentives. We are going to put these words in their contexts. Okay? So, what is emigration? Emigration is the act of leaving what? One's native country or region to settle in another. It is the same as what? So here we are speaking about emigration. It's the same as immigration. But from the perspective of the country of origin. Human movement before the establishment of political boundaries or within, it means inside.